What's up, guys? Backwater Bassin here. I'll do some more duck hunting here in Minnesota today. It is November 2nd. I'm out by myself, rocking in the Invisiman today. There is zero wind today. For the rest of the week there isn't, but there's a lot of birds around. We've been shooting a lot of ducks this past week, so yeah, I've got 2 dozen decoys out, 2 dozen mallards, I think 6 gadwall and 6 pintail, and then a spinner. I wanted to use the jerk rig, but forgot the pull rope for that, so just me rocking one mojo. I don't know if you can hear behind me, but there's birds all around. I kicked up probably 200 teal just right where I parked the boat, so no wind, but still should be pretty good. We had no wind yesterday. Me and Dylan were able to get 2-man done pretty early. They should have worked way better than I would have thought, so yeah, I got about 20 minutes till shooting light here and see if we can't get some birds. I might wait on some teal for a while. It's anything like yesterday morning. There was just stupid amount of teal and the decoys all morning, but kind of wait for some big ducks, so we'll see what happens. Couple minutes till shooting light, guys. Birds buzzing everywhere, but nothing flying near as low as were yesterday. Yesterday's birds in the spread the first like 20 minutes before shooting light, so we'll see what happens. Only 2 shells in the gun, but I hit them. Oh. Take that. 12 birds. Oh, cocksucker. Teal right here. Oh, he's gonna land on my head. Dang, that mallard wanted in. Till that dude shot. Alright guys, I'm just grabbing these birds quick. Way slower than yesterday. Still a decent amount of birds flying. They're just not working. They're just flying, getting out of here. I think these were 2 gaddies I shot. It looked like it was just 2 gaddies. Oh, penny. Stud pintail right there. Damn it. But yeah, I think it was these 2 gadwall and a hen mallard. There's not really any teal buzzings. You saw that a ringneck that landed in the spread when that mallard was working. I think I might come back. Oh, I can't breathe. I don't need ringers. Oh, you could get it though. This Susie though, kind of like a hen mallard. Unfortunately, she came out of nowhere. Drake mallard, guys. Just a young one. Not gonna lie, I'm shooting some 2 3/4 4-shot today just to use up, and it is hammering these birds. All 3 even stone dead. Well, there we go. 3 more to go. Alright guys, you see they're sitting right there. I'm gonna wait, probably. I don't really want to be done yet anyway. Wait for some big birds. Another one. He buzzed right behind me. Came right over my head. Oh. Ringer. Ring necks. Buzzed right over my head. Circled right back in. Another gadwall, it looks like. Oh, I'll leave that for now. Hey, duck. There's 5. Another gadwall. Did it dive? I think I still see its feet. Oh, it's right there. Oh, shoot. I better get that thing. There you go. One more to go. Other bird was a spoonie. Not a gadwall. That'll be my first spoonie of the year. Well, suppose we'll take it. A lot of brown ducks today. Let me get back to this blind. I'm just dying sweating. Here comes a big duck right now. Okay. I'm dying, but got one more to go. I was 5 for 5 on that bird until I had to go shoot it 2 more times. It was a little far. Should have let it be. But still some birds flying around. See if we can't get one more. Hopefully a big old green head. Beep. 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 There's the limit, baby. Oh. There's the limit. Wow, they did it cool. Came in behind. I heard the drake whistling. And I just didn't know where they were. Buzzing behind me. Circle, I could have taken another second pass. Decided to wait. They saw something and like at the end there was able to knock him down. We'll take that. 6 birds, 9 shots, and yeah, 6 for 6 out of the air. 3 shots finishing them, but that's what I was shooting today. 12 gauge, 2 3/4, 3 shot. I thought it was 4s, but those are the 3s. Here we go. There's that last bird, guys. It is 7:50. Don't know if it's the exact same time as I was yesterday, but there we go. All right, guys, well, that's a wrap. Another quick hunt. Very fun. Definitely not as many birds flying as there was yesterday. Not teal and ringers anyway. Yesterday we had probably hundreds of teal landing. I think I only need 2 groups come in and land this morning. I didn't really feel like shooting them though. So we ended with 2 greenheads, a spoonie, which I thought was a gadwall. I probably would have shot that, but first spoonie of the year, I think, and then 3 gadwall. So that last group mallards did pretty nice. That was cool. So yep, that's gonna wrap it up. 6 shots out of the air. Shooting these 2 3/4 wasn't quite enough. I had to finish a couple off, but I don't know, the Visman again today. There's a shot. You can hide so well in these things, and these birds just do it right in your face. So that's pretty awesome. So thanks for watching. I guess we'll catch you guys on the next one.